Hello my dear students, today we will revise the chapter Colors, Class 1 English Literature, Chapter 1 Poem. The name is Colors and the poetess of this poem is Christina Rossetti. She is a very famous poet for the children literature. For the children, she has written many poems, poetries and other short stories also. Now you will read the colors. In colors poem, there are different types of colors. We can see here pink, red, blue, white, yellow, green and orange. There are total 7 colors. So why colors? What is the relation? Colors has a great relation with human mind. Means when we see different colors through our eyes, our mind becomes very happy. We become very happy because different color attracts us, and colors also create our mood. Suppose the color you can see here, pink. Pink is a very soft color. So it always resembles the softness, tenderness and innocence. It is very light shade. It is a one shade of red only, but it is very good color. And as the color is pink, so what is pink? Rose is pink. Yes, the poetess tries to give one example in each and every color. She has given one object, one example, so that you can understand very clearly what is called pink. The color of rose is called pink. Now next you see, what is the color? Red. Yes, though in computer screen sometime color just it becomes some variations, means sometime orange or red seems like orange, but it is the red color here what you can see in the mobile screen. And the object, for example, there is one fruit. What is that? Cherry. Last time what was the example? One flower, pink flower. Rose has many different colors, but pink rose was the example. Now here you see the example is cherry. Now next, what is that in your book? What is blue? The sky is blue. Yes, you see here the blue color we can see one side of the mobile screen. You can see at one side of the mobile screen, you can see here is the blue color, and this part you see, this is the sky. The sky, these are the clouds, white clouds, but here you see the blue sky is prevailing all over the universe. Yes, the color is blue. An example is sky. Everybody, we love to see the sky, and especially the children. Sometimes elders also love to see the sky, look at the sky when he is thinking something. Suppose at night we love to see the moon from our window. Yes, when the curtain just blowing in the wind, then we love to see the sky. Yes, at night we cannot see this blue color, but in the daytime we can see the clear sky, and the sky color is blue. That is why the poetess uses this example. Next, what is the color? Yes, the color of a swan. Means it's a kind of dark, but it is called swan. It's a little bit big bird, and you can see its beak. You can see its beak is orange, and near the eye there is a black color, and see the long neck and the wings. What is it doing? It is swimming in the pond or in the river. Okay, now what is the color here? You can see this color. This is the white color. As your uniform, the white shirt you wear every time, that is a white color. And here the swan is also white. The poetess always try to give you some examples so that you can understand better, and you can imagine different objects with that color. Can you tell me what any other object which is white in color? Yes, you can tell. Milk is white, isn't it? Milk is white. Sometimes clouds are also very white, and Any other things? Yes, your shirt, white shirt, in your uniform, that is also white. So you can tell many other examples also, what you can remember. Okay, next what is the color? Yes, the color is yellow. What is yellow? Pears are yellow. Pears is one kind of food. It is very tasty, a little bit sour taste. It is very tasty and very juicy. We have to chew the pears. First we have to peel off the pears, and after that we have to chew. This is one fruit, and the color is yellow. You know, the color is yellow here. And example, the poetess gives the examples of pear. Yes, now you see here, it is the yellow color, and the pears is yellow. Next what is that? What is green? Yes, green color. You like green color? This is the green color. Yes, we love to draw. You also sometimes draw many things, so you use this type of colors, bright colors, so that your drawing become very attractive. And here you see, this is the green color, and here this part you see the picture of grass. Yes, grass, long grass. You can see this is the green grass. Grass is green. We know always the grass is a green color small plant. Next, what is that? Orange. What is an orange? Why an orange? Just an orange? Yes, orange is the name of the fruit, and the color is also orange. Here you see, the orange is the name of the fruit, and the color is also the orange. Orange color is very bright and very attractive also. We use different colors in our drawing, in our picture, and we love to draw fruits and flowers pictures also. So color creates a very good sensation, means good humor inside us, means colorful object we like, mainly children. And there are other colors also, you know, violet, black, then deep blue. Can you tell me one example? Deep blue. Yes, you can tell very easily. Your school uniform, that is the blue tunic or the blue trouser, blue pant, so that is the deep blue color. So in this way you can identify different colors in your house. There are many objects whose color you can identify, you can write, you can say that this is the particular color, and each and every color has an impact on us. Suppose orange is a very bright color. Yellow is also bright color, and sometimes you see that is the black and deep blue, these are dark colors. So it varies person to person which color we like, which we do not, and we have our own choices. But till then, poet has written this poem very nicely. Again, I am saying this poem one time. Your homework, your home task, you just memorize this poem and try to recite at home. Whenever I will give the task, you have to send the poem through audio clip. But when you will send any audio clip, do not look at your book, do not look at your copy. You just memorize and you say, okay, in the speaker of your mobile. Okay, now you just listen to me. Colors. What is pink? A rose is pink. What is red? A cherry is red. What is blue? The sky is blue. What is white? A swan is white. What is yellow? Pears are yellow. What is green? The grass is green. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. Christina Rossetti. In this way, you just memorize this poem. This is a very short poem. Just 4 and 12. 15 lines. And now you see there are new words. Rose, cherry, swan, pears. Just you write rose, a flower, cherry, a fruit, swan, a bird, and pears, a fruit. You can see in the picture what is given in your book. One little girl is just trying to touch the beak of the white swan bird, which is in the river swimming. So swan is white, and rose that is pink, but it is reddish here. And now you see the little girl is standing on the grass. Grass is green, and the sky is there. So the sky is blue, and hot sun is there. Sun is what? Sun is looking here just like orange, but sun is yellow. I think when the sun is very bright, it becomes yellow. And the little girl, she has a small bucket in her hand. You see, in the bucket there are fruits, and one fruit is just like orange color, but it may be the pears also. It doesn't look like orange round shape, it looks like pears. And in the little girl wear a dress, the top portion of the dress is blue and the skirt is red, and her shoes are also red. So different colors are also here. I told you colors has a great impact on us, and colors are very beautiful. Colors give us the colors attract us. Actually different good colors, bright colors attract us, so that we can see the colors and become happy. So colors is the poem, and it's a very beautiful poem and very easy to memorize. Just you have to remember all the colors name, and after that you have to say the poem. Okay, my dear students, you read very well, because nobody knows when the school will open, and we have to do our online classes in this way. Very seriously we have to take this class, and this is our very important class also. In this way I will revise all the chapter, and if you have any problem, any query, you can ask me, you can write a message, you can call me. There are so many ways, but if necessary. Okay, now you do your work and watch the video, try to memorize the poem. Later I will give some questions based on this chapter that you will try to write. And whatever, my suggestion, whatever you will do in your home, you write, you read, you memorize, that you try to do yourself. Do not take help from your parents and teachers at home all the time. Help required, because you are a little child. Elder children also take help, but always one kind of support, one kind of help, it is not good. Then you will not learn to do work yourself. So watch this video, try to understand, try to say something about the poem. Say something means now it is very difficult for you to say so many English words. That is the summary of the poem. It is not possible. That is why you just memorize the poem. Which day you can feel the poem, you can say in your own way. So that is a different thing. Okay, my dear students, today this much. Later I will give some questions. That answer you will send according to the instruction. Okay.